We made it to Lindisfarne Castle, as you can see. I hope you can hear me okay. It's extremely windy, and if there's any wobbling of the video, I do apologise, but it's actually windier up here. Where I actually took my first composition was down on the beach. The reason I didn't vlog from the beach was the tide seems to be coming in. I thought it was coming out, but no, it's definitely coming in. So I couldn't spend long down there, just long enough to take the shot basically. But the first thing I always look for when I come to an iconic location like this with Lindisfarne Castle is you need some foreground interest, like all good landscape photography. You can take the long distance stand back, take it with a 200mm focal range, but landscape pictures always tend to be better if you've got that foreground interest that draws you into the scene. Now, standing up here, as you can see with the fence as a leading line, was okay, but there was grass everywhere and boring, so the bottom third of the image would be pretty boring. So I was immediately drawn to the beach, which as you can see, it's very rugged, the tide's coming in, and I just wanted to get down onto that beach basically and try and include the rocks and the sea and the moving waves as the foreground interest with the castle in the background. There isn't much happening in the sky, unfortunately, today, but we're just lucky at the moment that it's not raining, because it's forecast rain. Jem is down on the beach, braving the elements. I took my image from just near where that boulder is there, and when I went down there, the sea wasn't around that boulder, and you can now see us now coming in, so I decided to make a hasty retreat. But yeah, so basically it was just a case of using the shoreline leading up to the castle as a focal point in the background, and using the lovely rugged shoreline as the foreground. Gemma's now coming back. We did split when we first got here. I think she went round and looked round the other side of the castle. I don't think she found much round there. God, it's really windy now. I just had to grab hold of the tripod, the vlogging tripod. It's really windy. Jemmy's down there she is. It's actually a lot less windy down where she is and where I'm standing up the top here. Apologies again for the wobbly video and probably shocking audio, but typical English coastal northern weather.
We are back, aren't we?
Yes.
Better conditions at the moment.
Yeah, we decided to come back. It's sort of getting near. It's a couple of hours from sunset, but the light is now starting to break through, which is nice. So we'll come back in better conditions, as Jem has just said.
Yeah, a lot better conditions.
Still a bit windy, but we managed to get the drones up. Jem's now got a drone, and yeah, we got some nice pictures actually, didn't we?
Yeah.
From different viewpoints, which
definitely
is really nice. And yeah, the cloud is definitely starting to roll in.
Sun.
And yes, the first
like
time on this trip, the sun has put in an appearance. That took long enough. We've had over a day of overcast, drizzly, windy rubbish.
Yep.
But yeah, finally we see some light. We have seen the light.